Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. Today I have a short tutorial. I will show you how to fix a frozen screen if you own the Nokia C200. Since this phone is laggy, you guys gonna expect your phone will freeze one day and you're gonna get this blank screen. The phone doesn't do anything basically. If you try and turn the phone on off, the phone won't respond. But don't worry, I will show you how to get this problem fixed. But before, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up to encourage me to upload more videos like this in the future. Without any further ado, let's find out. Now, in many cases, phone you can remove the back, remove the battery, put it back, turn the phone on, and you should be good to go. But this phone has a sealed back, so it's not that easy to remove the battery, and please don't do this. Now, all I need from you just to press the power and volume up together and keep holding both keys maybe from 7 to 10% till you feel the phone vibrates and you start seeing Android logo. Then you can just remove your both fingers on the power and the volume up. The phone now in a process of restarting, so hopefully your phone will restart and go as normal. I would highly recommend in this point to find out what caused this glitch for your phone. If it's like a certain application, remove this application to avoid a problem like this in the future. And I wish I help you to fix the frozen screen on your Nokia C200. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thumbs up to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.